Yo, with the YouTube man, know your boy Perch, baby. Ice Hall on the Hall. Today's Saturday. It's a little car show day in Blytheville. Little old chili cook-off. Told me to bring my car, so finna watch Blue Ice up. And I'm gonna watch Ice Hall up too. Watch both of them up. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start on both of them, but I'm gonna get cold start them first, cause once I start this motherfucker up, you ain't gonna hear this. You ain't gonna hear Blue Ice, man. You know, I got a copper on Blue Ice, so I gotta pump the gas on Blue Ice, baby. I like the old school motor in Blue Ice, man. I like the LS too, but Blue Ice would never get an LS. This motor go out, put it back in though. I don't like how the automobile motor sound in the colors. Bear with me, baby. Cold start, baby. Cold start, baby. Hey, this be the first video of me starting both my babies up. I'm feeling this truck though, man. I ain't lying. I love Blue Ice though. It'll never take the spot of Blue Ice, but she could be my good truck too, baby. Be my good truck. Oh, she dirty too. Y'all look at her. Oh yeah. 350 Rocket. Y'all see though, I may go find this today. I may go to Dyersburg, Union City. I gotta find that paint so I can paint up on the hood of that. If I may do today. I'm going to every Harbor Freight there is. I'm going to all the Harbor Freights. So I'm gonna paint all that black. Pull this up, put all the other wire, paint all that black. Put all this up, paint all that black. I may do that tomorrow. If I find some paint today, I'll do that tomorrow. Yeah, but she looking good, man. I got one wire I got to loom up. Well, I probably can cut that one wire. All the rest of the wires, then they heat up. Yeah, all the rest of the wires, I'm gonna heat up. It ain't gonna be perfect. It ain't gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be straight. I'm gonna find me like a cover. Black cover that can cover all that up. Just a small little black box. I'll go to Walmart or something, find a little clip box. Put over here, paint it black, cover it up, add all that. Or not, but yeah. You ready to pull Blue Ice out. Pull Blue Ice out. Yeah, I can start this route up, but you ain't gonna be shit outside. Watch how Ice Hauler does kill my Blue Light. Yeah. Hold start. Have both my boys running, baby. It's a good feeling here, baby. It's a good feeling, man. Both your old crew running, baby. Both of them. Then I got my work truck. Then when I finish doing that, I gotta get back about 300. That's my son caught up. I get back about 300, man. I ain't drove my 300, man. It's an 05 300, man. Look, you got scratches on it. Tires on flat. I need some more rims, but I need the rim too dry rotted. Tires too dry rotted to be driving, so I just parked before I have a blowout tail or something. But yeah, you up next, baby. If I hit one of these hellified ass numbers on the state line, these numbers. Yeah, man, both my boys running, baby. Ice Hauler. Blue Ice. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? My niggas running, baby. Man, gotta get that damn on there. Yeah, both my toes out running, baby. Where my big head wife get up? But she can call me and put them out, but they have to set it up. I bought the Timber game, man, but it won't work. They say I gotta get the one. I gotta get it where it's cut in my hose. And by the adapter, I ain't doing all that. Yeah, man, my baby's up. Both my boys running. Ice hauler, blue ice, baby. Talk to him, baby. Talk, George. Talk, George. Pull blue ice out first. Oh, that's my wife here. Hold it.
They wasn't even on there.
Got my beautiful wife out here. Got both my babies out here, man. Look at that smoke. Got dog, you hear the car, you hear the car running. Ah, you two, I hate you back later on. My wife said loud. Oh, yeah. Yo, with the YouTube, man, you know what it is, man. Your boy Perk. Hey, man, this two-tone is hitting, boy. This black and white on the top. I'm feeling that color. But yeah, what y'all see red flame leaving? Probably can see if not. Yeah, blue ice. I went to a car show day, man. Blue ice. Ice haul outside together, man. First time these boys outside together. Everybody to my Perk, paint that color up. No sir, she getting painted the same color as my car. Same color, dog. Look at it, man. I may wait till you send that video, man. Man, Snowfall got a little action on, man. Let's snow, man, not Snowfall. Ice hauler got a little action. Came down the street doing a little flying. Stopped burning a little rubber. Positive traction. But yeah, man. Get my butt ran over. Look at that. Woohoo! Okay, Ice hauler. About to put her ass in the garage now, though. Taking some pictures. She gotta go in the garage, baby. Yeah, I went to a car show, man. It really wasn't a car show for my car. They had a whole lot of antiques, Corvettes. But a whole lot of people, man, bring your car, man. We want to see it. And y'all know me. I don't care I win a trophy or not. I just go support. But I went, and man, there's a whole lot of people like this car too, boy. And I got number 18. This is right here. Yep. Top 10 pick. I sure take it. But yeah, man, I'm about to put these toys up, man. Take a shower and relax. Grab me something to eat. But I'm gonna take a whole lot of pictures. Y'all see it, boy. Big roof, baby. Big roof.